Okay, so last section here. You know, your advice for starting investors. Someone that is new to this, but that it's been itching about it. They want to invest. You know, maybe they've been renting their whole lives, and now they're ready to purchase their initial home. What should they look for?
Yeah. So what fits your family? Like my own home, I have needs for my home. I have to have a commute time. I need to feel safe, you know? So satisfy your personal needs in that property first. If you're going to target how I recommended focusing on your own primary home first, focus on your own primary needs first. And that way, if you don't care for real estate so much, you don't hate the property that you own. You have a property that you feel okay about. So focus on your own needs first. And usually there's enough people who are similar to you that will be a good rental anyway.
How well informed or educated should they be before they even approach a loan officer or before they start looking for properties? I mean, what would you recommend someone to learn?
I almost want you to come to me with nothing. So I have this happen sometimes, Pedro, where somebody will come to me, say, "Oh, I want to buy a $500,000 home. I was looking at $500,000 homes for the past 3 months," and they're like, "Sorry, man, you can only afford 300." And then all of their hopes are dashed. They're completely defeated. They did all of this work for nothing. So I would encourage you, let's get with a real estate agent. Let's talk to them about what your needs are. A good agent you should be able to consult with, figure out a good plan to buy a home. And that agent will usually have good loan officer recommendations to get you in front of. And those loan officers should be able to teach you some of the steps. Hey, here's what goes into being qualified. Here's what you need to have prepared. Here's what it'll look like. Here's what your payment will be. And just like I mentioned in the beginning, trust your instincts. You don't have to take the first person you talk to. I'd almost tell you, every lender, we can all match each other's prices and stuff. So work with somebody that you like, but I'd almost tell you or encourage you to start with your real estate agent first before you even look. And that should get you on the right foot.
Okay.